Hi, this is Matt with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we'll be showing you how to repair your appliance. Remember, anytime you work on an appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video we're going to show you how to change out the Maytag dryer timer. It's going to be a very easy repair and should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can click on the link below or get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. When you open up the package, you're going to get the new timer. The timer is the main control for the dryer. The main reason to be changing it out is if the motor shorted out and the timer is not advancing, or if the shaft is damaged and the knob is falling off. To get the timer out, we first have to take off the knob and the dial. We're going to use a small screwdriver to lift the cover off the knob, and once you have that off, the knob should be able to just be pulled right off. Then you can pull the dial off. Once you have all three of those off, you can set them aside, and we'll use our Torque 15 driver to open up the console. The three screws are located on the top of the console, and we're going to take them out. Now that we have the screws out, we can lift the console up. It has little legs that support it, so you can just let it sit at a 45-degree angle or so. Then we can use our small screwdriver to release the wire harness so we can pull it off. You have to lift up on the locking tab right here, and then we can carefully pull the harness out. Once you have it out, set it aside. With the wire harness out of the way, we can press on the release tab right here and slide the timer to your right. Once you have it off these tabs on the left side, you can just lift it out of the dryer. Here's the old timer next to the new one. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. To put the new timer in, you want to line it up so you can put the tabs in that hold it in place on the top and the bottom. Once you have it in and lined up, you can push it to the left to lock it in. And if you have to, if your little tab didn't come up, you can lift up on it a little bit to hold it in place. Once you have it in, we can reconnect the wiring harness. To put the wiring harness back in, you want to line it up the same way you took it out and push it into place so the locking tab holds it in. Once you have it reconnected, we can close the console and put the screws back in. We're going to use the same Torque 15 driver to put these screws back in. To put the dial back on, there's three little tabs that you have to line up with the shaft on the timer. So we're going to line the square one up on top because it lines up with the square cutout right here. Once you line it up, all you have to do is flip it over and push it onto the new timer. To put the knob back on, you want to make sure that this slot is matched up with the timer shaft. So all you have to do is press it on and it'll be held in place. The last thing we have to put on is the cover. All you have to do is line up the four tabs and push it into place. Now that we have the timer installed, we can plug it back in and take it for a spin. Thanks for joining us for another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. Check out our other repair videos on our site, Facebook, and YouTube.